Hey Jesse, so I just wanted to show you how to get the breakout room. So let's take a look at my international business class right here. And let's go into the Google Meet. Turn on my camera. Okay, so we're gonna join my Meet. And if you look at this tab, you have extra functions for Google Meet. So what I do is I click here, and then you notice breakout rooms. I click breakout rooms. Now say I want to create 6 breakout rooms. So I'll do that. And I'm going to click shuffle. So that means that it's with a class of 30, um, basically Google Meet would put 5 students in each of my class. And because, right now I don't have any students, right? So that's why normally you would see 5 students in each breakout room. Okay, so now I look at this, imagine you see these 5 students, it looks good. So I'm going to create my breakout room with 5 students in each one. So you have the main room here and you have 6 over here. So right now I'm in the main room. And the students that would be actually in the main room are students that have devices that don't work with breakout rooms. So say if they're using their iPhone or iPad, that wouldn't work. The, so what you could do with these students is have have the main room treated like a breakout room. Okay, so now let's say, okay, I advise each student, okay, I have a Jamboard there, you work on this activity, each person have one page on the Jamboard that they're working on, or it could be a Google slide, each person work on a separate Google slide. I gave them editing access to do that. And so I'll tell them, okay, we're going to meet back in 15 minutes and I'm going to check up on you. Make sure that you have one person you designate as a speaker and you're going to present what you found out in your breakout room. Okay, so I go in and I go to breakout room number 1. I join that and and I'm going to see those 5 students in the room and I can, say, hey, how's it going? Do you have questions? And so on. And then have you decided on the speaker for the breakout room? And then I can go check my breakout room number 2, see how they're doing, blah, 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 go through like each of the breakout rooms, and notice how every time I join one, I leave another one. So here, so see, I go to breakout room number 3, that means that I'm no longer in, it automatically left breakout room number 2. And then I go, oh, how's it going? And I go, okay, it's almost 15 minutes. Um, we're going to leave the breakout rooms in 1 more minute. And I'm going to end the breakout rooms and we're going to do the presentations in the main room. So you could see here, I am ending the breakout rooms. And what happens is we returned and now everybody is back in the main room. And so that's how breakout rooms work. If you have any questions,